Hey everyone, Ryan here from the KWU Tech Training Team with one last lead gen tactic to thrive in the current market. So over the last few videos, we've talked about tons of great small habits that you can start to implement in your business that form the foundation of a really powerful lead generation and marketing machine. But as those leads start to roll in, you've got to manage them. You need a way to stay organized and keep your systems and models in place so that you can run the most successful business possible. And with that in mind, Command now has the ability for you as an agent to manage your leads and organize, label, and even start communicating with them as they roll in through our lead management settings. So let's take a look at how easy it is to set up distinct pathways that will allow your leads to do exactly what they need to and get where they need to go. I'm here on my Command home dashboard, but where we're actually headed in order to manage our leads is straight into our settings to set ourselves up for success. So let's click on my name here at the top right of my Command toolbar. And there I will find my settings, that gear icon that indicates to me that we're setting ourselves up for success. Here within our settings, I'm going to click into the Command Settings subheader and our contacts in particular to find our lead management settings. Now there's a lot that you can do from here within your settings, including managing your contact tag organization system, your custom fields, and those lead sources, which is in particular going to be important. But when we're looking at our lead management tool, which is now available for us as solo agents, this is where we can put everything we've talked about over the last several videos together and create rules or pathways for how our leads are going to behave as they enter our database. So I'm going to get started by clicking the Create Rule button here in the top right. And it's just going to ask me a few questions. Since I'm in a solo agent account, all I need to do is name my lead management rule. So let's call this one Website Leads. And then select a lead source that this rule will apply for. Now, when you are selecting lead sources, you're only going to see those that you have created either custom in your Command account or those default ones that we all see as well. So I can indicate several, a single lead source, or even use this toggle to select the same rule for all of the lead sources in my Command account. Whatever makes the most sense for my own organization and setup. But in this case, I'll just select a couple of lead sources here to create this rule for. And then my last step is just going to be telling Command what to do now with any leads that enter my database from this lead source. So for example, if I created a landing page that I have leads funneling in from, I can select landing page or KW landing page as the lead sources that this will apply to and specifically designate how those leads are going to behave in my Command account. And the things that I can designate are huge when it comes to efficiency and productivity. So right here, I can set any leads that come in from this source with automated tags that are going to segment, organize, and group them within my database by those shared likenesses. So I can select a landing page tab that I've got in my Command account. Right? If it doesn't exist already, I can create it here as a custom tag, or I can leverage all those that I've already got working for me. So maybe I'll add 2023 because it's the year that I met the lead, or their specific interests if they've indicated that they're coming in through a landing page for a particular home. Right? You can set up all of your lead management rules in the way that works best for you and your unique business. On top of that, in addition to the ability to label them with tags, you can also get them started right here on a smart plan that's going to be tailored to that specific lead source and the way that you want to start nurturing that relationship and communicating with them systematically. So I can also select here from any of the smart plans in my Command account to get them started immediately on that systematic communication and take my speed to lead game to the next level. Finally, when I click Create Rule, this will go into effect. So now I know that any leads coming into my command account with those lead sources that I indicate are going to have those tags and get started on those particular smart plans. And that, my friends, is how you take your lead generation program to the next level. Remember that all of the things we've talked about form small steps that you can take if you make the consistent commitment to reinforcing those habits on a regular basis, right? All those small habits, those small consistent steps will add up to the foundation of something that is really special. A lead generation program, a marketing machine that is going to allow you and your business to stay successful no matter what the industry is doing or what the market conditions are. If you loved this video and you want to see more like it, click into another. There's so much more leverage for you to learn right here in Connect. Or if you'd like any on-demand live training with our team, the KWU Tech Training Team, feel welcome to reach out to us at learncommand@kw.com. We look forward to seeing you on our trainings and assisting with any questions you have in using Command and KW technology as your business partner to supercharge your productivity and build the best business possible.